So we know a lot of the videos we shoot here at CJ's are not for your amateur mechanic. You know, superchargers, clutches, take a level of skill before you want to tackle an installation like that. But we also know a lot of our viewers watch our channel because they want to learn how to work on their car. So in today's Easy Does It video, we're going to show you 5 great parts for your S550 Mustang that we're confident that anybody can install. The first part of my list is going to be a coolant tank cover from California Pony Cars. Now the factory coolant tank on your 15 through 23 Mustang, it does a great job, but it's a huge eyesore under the hood. This coolant tank cover will cover it up, make it match the rest of the engine bay, and best of all, it's very easy to install. Next on my list is going to be a set of the Form taillights. Now these are available in the 18+ style in either red, Euro Clear, or Euro Smoke. They're an excellent upgrade for your 15 through 17 or your 2018 Mustang, and even if you have a factory subwoofer, they're not terribly difficult to install. Next on my list is going to be the Diode Dynamics Elite Series fog lights. Now these are available in a cool white or a true amber if you like that fog light look. They're a direct replacement for your factory lights, have a much higher output and a much cleaner cutoff. Best of all, they're pretty straightforward to install. Next on my list is the Ford Performance Smooth Decklid panel. The factory Decklid always comes with an emblem which a lot of people aren't a fan of, and if you remove that emblem, it leaves holes. This is a factory OEM panel provided by Ford Performance that gets rid of the emblem, gives you that nice, smooth, clean look. It is a little time consuming for a beginner, but definitely something you can do at home. And last but not least is the Accelatech jacking rails. Now the jacking rail is going to go underneath the car and bolt up where your pinch weld is, allowing you to jack up your Mustang from anywhere on the side of the car. Now this install will require you to work underneath your car, but because of the location, you actually don't have to jack it up. You can reach it easily while the car is on the ground. Like I said, all 5 of these parts make great additions to your S550 Mustang, and if you have a basic set of hand tools, you'll be able to install these yourselves and be back on the road in no time.